Welcome back to 10 Car channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon because today's video is something extremely powerful, extremely secretive, and one of the most important weapons ever built in modern military history. Today we are talking about the legendary 2026 upgraded version of the LGM-30 Minuteman III, a missile that has stood as a silent guardian of the United States for decades. The Minuteman III is not just a missile. It is an intercontinental ballistic missile, also known as an ICBM, designed to travel thousands of miles in just minutes. First deployed in the 1970s, this powerful weapon became the backbone of America's nuclear deterrence strategy. Even in 2026, after multiple modernization programs, it remains one of the most feared and technologically advanced land-based missiles in the world. What makes the Minuteman III so special is its speed and range. This missile can travel over 13,000 kilometers, meaning it can reach targets across continents in less than 30 minutes. Imagine a weapon launched from deep underground silos in the United States, rising into the sky at incredible speed, leaving behind a massive plume of fire, then exiting the atmosphere before re-entering at hypersonic velocity toward its target. That's the level of power we're talking about. The 2026 upgraded version focuses heavily on guidance systems, targeting accuracy, and digital command upgrades. Over the years, the U.S. Air Force has continuously modernized the missile's onboard computer systems, replacing old analog components with advanced digital technology. This means better reliability, improved accuracy, and faster response time. Even though the missile's exterior may look similar to older versions, internally it has evolved into a far more sophisticated system. One of the most secretive aspects of the Minuteman III is its MIRV capability, multiple independently targetable reentry vehicles. This means a single missile can carry multiple warheads, each capable of striking a different target. After traveling through space, the missile releases these warheads, which then separate and head toward their individual destinations. This technology dramatically increases its strategic impact and makes missile defense systems much more complicated. Another fascinating part of the Minuteman III program is where it is stored. These missiles are kept in hardened underground silos spread across several U.S. states. The locations are carefully guarded and constantly monitored. Launch control centers are operated by highly trained Air Force personnel who remain on alert 24/7. The security protocols are extremely strict, and multiple layers of authorization are required before any launch could ever take place. It's a system built around deterrence, meaning its main purpose is to prevent war rather than start one. In 2026, the Minuteman III operates alongside advanced strategic systems such as nuclear submarines and long-range bombers, forming what military experts call the nuclear triad. This three-part strategy ensures that even if one system is compromised, the others remain operational. It's about maintaining balance and preventing global conflict through strength. Despite being over 50 years old in design, the Minuteman III continues to undergo life extension programs. Components like rocket motors, guidance systems, propulsion stages, and re-entry vehicles have all been upgraded multiple times. This continuous modernization has allowed the missile to remain relevant in an era of rapidly evolving military technology. The missile itself stands approximately 18 meters tall and weighs over 36,000 kilograms. It uses a three-stage solid fuel rocket system, allowing it to be launched quickly without the need for fueling before launch. Solid fuel gives it an immediate response capability, which is critical in strategic defense scenarios. What makes this system truly remarkable is not just its destructive capability, but the engineering precision behind it. The guidance system calculates trajectory with extreme accuracy, adjusting during flight to ensure the payload reaches its designated target. Even small deviations are corrected automatically by onboard computers. In recent years, the United States has been preparing to replace the Minuteman III with a next-generation system known as the LGM-30 Sentinel. However, until that transition is fully complete, the Minuteman III remains a key pillar of national defense.